confirmation bias and your newsfeed. In the digital age, social media platforms and news feeds play a major role in shaping our views and opinions. However, a common psychological tendency called confirmation bias often influences how we consume and interpret the content we see online. Understanding confirmation bias and its impact on our news feeds is an essential part of being a responsible digital citizen. What is confirmation bias? Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out, believe, or give more importance to information that aligns with our existing beliefs while ignoring or dismissing information that contradicts them. Example: if you believe a particular diet is the best, you might focus on articles supporting that diet and overlook evidence to the contrary. When it comes to news feeds, algorithms amplify this bias by showing content similar to what you have previously engaged with, reinforcing your viewpoints and creating an echo chamber. How news feeds encourage confirmation bias? Algorithm-driven content. Social media platforms use machine learning algorithms to personalize content. These algorithms analyze your likes, shares, and search history to predict what you want to see. Impact: you are shown posts and articles that align with your beliefs, making opposing views less visible. Echo chambers: an echo chamber is an environment where your ideas and opinions are repeated and reinforced without being challenged. Impact: over time, this limits exposure to diverse perspectives, leading to a skewed understanding of issues. Emotional engagement: content that aligns with your beliefs often evokes strong emotions, making you more likely to engage with it. Impact: platforms prioritize such content to maximize engagement, further reinforcing biases. Risks of confirmation bias in news feeds. Misinformation: confirmation bias makes it easier to believe fake news that supports your views. Example: a false article supporting a political stance may go viral. Within a like-minded community, polarization: consuming one-sided content can lead to extreme viewpoints, making it harder to understand or tolerate opposing perspectives. Reduced critical thinking: when you only see content that aligns with your beliefs, you may stop questioning its accuracy or considering alternative viewpoints. How to overcome confirmation bias? Be open to different perspectives, actively seek out diverse sources of information, even if they challenge your views. Example: follow news outlets with varying political or social leanings, verify information before believing or sharing any content, check its credibility by consulting reliable sources. Example: use fact-checking websites to confirm the validity of a claim. Engage in critical thinking. Ask questions like: who created this content and why? What evidence supports this claim? Could there be another perspective I'm not considering? Diversify your feed. Follow accounts, pages, or groups that represent different viewpoints to create a more balanced news feed. Use news aggregators. Platforms like Google News or Flipboard offer multiple perspectives on a single topic, helping you see a broader picture. Activities to understand confirmation bias: compare headlines, examine how different news outlets report the same event and identify biases in language or framing. Fact-checking exercise: investigate a controversial claim using multiple credible sources. Role-play discussions: divide into groups representing different perspectives on an issue and debate respectfully.